Hey everyone, Favor here. These free AI photos made with Google Gemini are literally everywhere right now, and I had to try them myself. The result blew my mind, and in this video, I will show you exactly how you can make yours too. Let's get into it. To start creating these free AI photos, just open Google Gemini. You can either use the website or go to Play Store or Apple Store to download it for free. But for this tutorial, we'll be using the website. So go over to Google and you search for Google Gemini. When it opens, you see this very first one here, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Nano Banana. You click on it and then you click on Get Started. Then you click on Try Nano Banana. So once you are in, you upload your selfie. Make sure it is clear and unfiltered. You see this plus sign here, you click on it and you click on Upload Image. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to type in any idea that comes to your mind. You see this place that it said generate an image of a banana wearing a costume. You click on it and you remove all of this and you put in your own prompt. So this is my prompt. Using that attached photo, create a young woman taking a mirror selfie holding an iPhone 17 Pro Max with one hand, blah 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 and blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, then once you are done, you click on this button here, this arrow here, and you allow it to generate it for you. Can you see that Gemini AI instantly turns your word into an amazing photo that looks exactly like you? Isn't this beautiful? To download this, all you have to do is to click on it and you click on download image and it goes over to your phone. Simple as ABC. I will show you a few prompts I tested and how I edited them to make them even better. So keep watching till the end.